Are you searching for the best splicing machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best splicing machine in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. A81S Orange Fully Automatic Fusion Splicer Machine. The A81S Fully Automatic Fusion Splicer Machine by Transbatter is a high-performance tool designed for fiber optic professionals. It supports a wide range of fiber types, including single mode, multi-mode, dispersion shifted, non-zero dispersion shifted, and custom optical fiber types. The machine achieves minimal splice loss, ensuring optimal signal integrity for high-performance network installations. The splicing and heating time are fast, with a typical splicing time of 9 seconds and a heating time of 26 seconds. The machine also offers precise optical fiber alignment, including accurate core and cladding alignment, ensuring splices meet industry standards and maintain optimal signal transmission. The machine is bilingual, with Chinese and English language options available for users from different regions and backgrounds. The machine is built with high-quality materials, offering durability and reliability even under challenging conditions. Despite not having a specific certification, the A81S offers professional-grade performance suitable for high-end fiber optic applications.